Welcome to our channel, Stray Wood Carving Tools, Tools for Wood Carving. Today, we want to show you how to quickly and easily sharpen and tune your tools at home without any extra resources. This applies to all types of chisels. It doesn't matter if they're straight chisels, gouges, bent chisels, carpenter's chisels, sculptor's chisels, or knives. For this, you'll need a leather strop. Something like this. It's available to order from our selection in 3 sizes. They come in 40 centimeters length, 30 centimeters length, and as small as this 20 centimeters long. We recommend using the longest strop as it helps you sharpen your tool faster and with better quality. However, if you're traveling, then the 20 centimeter profile strop is the best option. So you can sharpen your tool while taking it with you on the road. This unique strop stands out because it has special grooves. They're designed for all types of chisels. There are semicircular, angled, and flat grooves for both honing and sharpening. They are made for both internal and external sharpening of the tool. Now we'll try to demonstrate how to use it. So, we take the strop and apply the polishing paste across the entire surface and into all the grooves where we'll be using our chisels. And since we want to sharpen semicircular, angled, flat chisels, and knives, we'll cover the whole surface so that we have as thick a layer of paste as possible applied. Alright, and now, with a few strokes, for example, with a flat chisel, we make several passes without lifting the handle, keeping the same angle to hone the tool. The same applies to the cutting edge on the other side. A few confident strokes, and the flat chisel is already sharpened. As for the gouge chisel, we also place it from. We follow the groove, the hollow, and work on its outer cutting edge. After this, we can work on the inside with the same motions along the side of the leather strop. You won't find an equivalent like this anywhere else in the world. Only this particular leather strop with these grooves exists. It's available in the range from Stropping Company. Moreover, you can also sharpen a corner chisel thanks to the V-shaped cutout, both on the outside and the inside. You can also use this strop to work on spoon knives. Gouges of the appropriate bends and shapes, both corner gouges and semicircular ones, can be sharpened following the same principle of bringing up the cutting edge, both on the outside and the inside. Each set, which includes the leather strop and the polishing paste, has a QR code on the back. You can scan it to watch a full video on how to use this leather strop. So, there is the first set with a length of 20 centimeters, the second set with a length of 30 centimeters, and one with a length of 40 centimeters. The largest size as this product. For proper sharpening of your tool, not just for honing, you'll need to use sandpaper. It's available in 800 grit, 1000, and 1200. To do this, simply place the sandpaper on this leather strop and, using your chisel, run it through the appropriate grooves, both on the outside and the inside. After that, you'll be able to work on your chisel. Or more precisely, this will be needed for polishing the cutting edge. Once you've polished it, wipe off any excess compound from the chisel and you can test its cut. This kind of honing is recommended before every carving session to prepare the tool so it cuts like butter. And then the V-gouge chisel can. See how smoothly it glides and makes a V-shaped cut. To place an order, write to us in the comments, and we will provide full information about all types of profile sharpening stones.